High-quality set does not warp or rust. Made with high-quality aluminum and stainless steel to withstand temperatures of up to 500 F, 260 C without twisting or warping. Will not rust or peel. Dimensions. Baking tray 18 inches by 13 inches by 1.05. Cooling rack 16.8 by 11.8 by 0.75. Even baking. Our aluminum baking sheet distributes heat evenly, giving you the perfectly baked product every time. Now you can bake like a pro and have that perfect cookie, biscuit, jelly roll, sheet cake or artisanal bread. Multi-use, food safe and easy to clean. Use for all oven cooking techniques, such as baking, roasting, broiling, grilling, air frying, and dehydrating. This bakeware set is food safe, easy to clean and will not discolor over time. Hand wash aluminum tray. Stainless steel rack is dishwasher safe. Versatile rack and pan. The stainless steel wire rack is ideal for cooling baked goods as well as drying decorated sugar cookies. The rack and pan can be used in the oven to grill meat, crisp bacon, make chicken wings and barbecue ribs and much more. Perfect size for all of your family meals together. Our promise to you. We are confident of the quality of our premium pan and rack set, so much so that we offer a lifetime manufacturer guarantee. If you are unhappy in any way, we will replace your set, making this bakeware the last pans that you will ever need to buy. Top reviews from the United States. Professional quality half-sheet pan with rack. Finally, I found a professional quality heavy-duty half-sheet pan with a rack. I purchased 2 and they are exactly as advertised. An investment with the expensive price, but worth it because now I have to throw away my other pans which I had thought were going to be good, but they are nothing compared to these new ones. So glad the new pans match one that I had purchased years ago, and it stood the test of time. I had been looking for a long time to get more like it, and Amazon had exactly what I needed and wanted. I recommend it. As I said, I purchased 2. They wash well too. Great for baking cookies, bread rolls, and even roasting vegetables and meats. In a pinch, you could also use them as serving trays. I recommend this item.